Welcome back, children. We were discussing the exercise part of the lesson, The Little Ball of Fur. Go to page 84. You can pause the video whenever you want, wherever you want, and you can note down and you can fill these key answers into your textbook. Okay. Also, I have sent the same copy in the form of PDF to your WhatsApp group. You can refer that also. But please see that you fill everything into your textbook. So now, Sonu, so what you have to do here is put a tick or cross against each statement. If it is a true statement, you have to put a tick mark. If it's a false statement, you have to put a cross mark. Sonu saw the kitten in the dustbin. Yes, it's true. So you have to put a tick mark. Second one, Sonu put the kitten in his bag. False. You have to put a cross mark because Sonu put the kitten into his pocket. Third one, Sonu took the kitten home. No, false. He didn't take it home. Fourth one, Mrs. Shanti took the kitten from Sonu. No, false. Again, put a cross mark because Mrs. Shanti didn't come across Sonu at all. Okay, fifth one. Mrs. Shanti was happy to have the kitten. Yes, true. You have to put a tick mark because we have learned in the lesson Mrs. Shanti was so excited, so happy to have that little kitten. Okay, next exercise. Put these sentences in correct order. You are given with around 8 sentences, and the first sentence and the last sentence, first and eighth, are fixed. You have to rearrange the remaining, okay? You have to reorder them and write in the correct order. You have to rearrange them and write in the correct order. Okay? I will read out the correct order straight away. Okay. First one. Sonu came out of the school gate. He saw a kitten in the dustbin. He put the kitten into his pocket. He stopped in front of Mrs. Shanti's house. Sonu put the kitten inside Mrs. Shanti's letter box. Mrs. Shanti opened the letter box. She was very happy to see the kitten. She kept the kitten as a pet in her house. Yes, in this exercise, there are 2 columns. First column has a few words. In the second column, there are another set of words. You have to match each word in the first column with a suitable word in the second column to form a compound word. Example they have given. First one, play, can be combined with the word ground, okay, and playground is a new word that is formed. So you have to combine rest of the words in the column A with suitable words in column B to make compound words. Shall we start? Yes. Second one, land, can be combined with lady to form landlady. Dust can be combined with bin to form dustbin. House can be combined with maid. Maid means servant, okay? House can be combined with maid to form housemaid. School can be combined with boy to form schoolboy. Pocket can be combined with book to form pocket book. Yes, in this exercise, in page 85, okay, second main, you have to match the animals with their cries. Cries means the sound they make. First one, cats. Yes, cats meow. They themselves have given. Second one, dogs. Dogs bark. Lions, third one, lions. Lions roar. Fourth one, asses. Asses bray. Fifth one, goats. Goats bleat. Okay. And the sixth one, cocks. Cocks crow. Yes, in the next exercise in the same page, page 85, okay, you have got a set of words. You have to circle the correct spelling in each set. Okay, in the first set, 4 words are given. 3 of them will be incorrect and only one will be correct. You have to circle the correct spelling. You have to circle the word with correct spelling. First one, little is correct. Little, little. Second one, pocket. Pocket, pocket is the correct spelling. Third one, lovely. Lovely, lovely is the correct spelling. Fourth one, herd. Heard, herd is the correct spelling. Yes, next, in page 86, go to page 86, you have this grammar in use section. Okay, write each pair as one word. They have given 2 different words. You have to combine them and make one single word. Okay, first one, some combined with thing, some plus thing, something, some plus body, somebody, some plus where, somewhere. Now we will see the exercise, we will see the example of these combined words. Complete these sentences with the above words. So first one, I want dash to eat. Yes, I want something to eat. There is dash at the door. There is somebody at the door. I have seen him dash before. I have seen him somewhere before. Yes, we have another set of words which start from any. First one, any plus thing, anything. Any plus body, anybody. And any plus where, anywhere. Now we will see how to use these combined words in sentences. Complete these sentences with the above words. Fourth one, he didn't eat dash at the party. He didn't eat anything at the party. Fifth one, he didn't talk to dash there. He didn't talk to anybody there. Sixth one, I didn't find him dash at the party. I didn't find him anywhere in the party, anywhere at the party. Similarly, now we will see a set of words that start from no. Okay, how they are formed? First one, no plus thing, nothing. No plus body, nobody. No plus where, nowhere. Yes, we will apply them in the sentences now. Seventh one, he ate dash at the party. He ate nothing at the party. Eighth one, he talked to nobody at the party. And ninth one, I saw him dash at the party. I saw him nowhere at the party.